everybody! Today's art at home project is painting with coffee. So I've taken some supplies from my art studio. I've got my paintbrushes, I have some nice thick paper here to paint on. So if you have regular paper or construction paper, those are fine as long as they're nice light colors. If you have thicker paper, that's even better. So go ahead and grab some of that. I've got a few cups for mixing different shades of paint in, and I've taken some things from my kitchen. I've taken some coffee. So if you have some already made coffee, you can use that for this project, or you can mix your own colors, which is what I'm going to do. You're going to need some water, and you're going to need either some coffee grounds or some instant coffee. I'm using instant coffee because it dissolves really quickly in water, so if you have that, it's awesome. If you don't, that's okay too. So grab your supplies and I will show you how to make some paint. The first thing we want to do is mix some different shades of paint. So I'm going to take my instant coffee and I'm going to put a small spoonful in each of my 4 cups here. I'm going to put the same amount in each one. It doesn't have to be a whole lot. We're going to add some water and that's going to stretch it out into a nice amount of paint so we'll be able to finish our whole painting. I'm going to take a little bit of water, and the important thing here is to add a different amount of water to each cup. So the first one I'm just going to add a little bit. The second one, I'm going to add a little bit more. The third one, a little bit more. And the fourth one, a little bit more than that. And then I'm going to stir them up. So I'm going to test out these colors and make sure they are all different, because if they're all the same, then that's not helpful. So I've got a small piece of paper that I'm going to use for testing. So I'm going to take the darkest one first. So the one with the least amount of water is going to be the darkest color. So I'm going to start here. Just dip my paintbrush in that. I'm just making little lines on my paper to test these colors. You can call this a color swatch if you want. Swatch is a great word that just means a little sample of something. So we're making color swatches of all these different shades. Technically they're not different colors, but they are different shades of the same color. So I have swatched 8 different shades of this brown color using just 4 cups and my cup of water. So this is my darkest color. It has the most coffee in it and the least amount of water. That's this one. And then as I get less coffee and more water, the colors get lighter and lighter. And for these on the end, I used my lightest color of coffee and then also just dipped my water in the brush to get a little bit more water and a little less coffee on there. So if you want really nice light colors, you can always use a little bit of extra water. So I'm going to let these dry for a second so we can really see what they're going to look like when they dry in our painting. And then we'll start making some stuff.